Yeah, here's how smart my dog is. Watch this. We just got back from a walk. I'm trying to get him back in the backyard again. Here we go. All right, Blackie, come on. Okay, let's go for a walk. Come on. Let's go back in the backyard. Come on, let's go back. Okay, let's go for a walk. Come on. Come on, you win. Okay, let's go back. Come on. We're going back. All right. Come on, you lousy turd. You stink pot. Come on. Come on. Come on, we're going for a walk. Let's see if I can sneak him back in the backyard now. All right, come on. Don't ever let anybody tell you dogs are not very smart, because mine is smart as all get out. He don't want to go in the backyard. Let's see if I can do it one more time. All right, Blackie, come on. Don't lay in the middle of the road. Come on. I'm going to go around the other way around here. See if he catches on. I'm sure he will. Come on. Okay. Come on, let's go for a walk. Yeah, if this ain't something.